We have to write a function circle area, and it takes in a circle object, and what we have to do is to calculate the area of that circle. The circle class can be seen below, and we have a point class. But this is actually the relevant class because we need the radius. Why do we need the radius? Because here I have the formula how to calculate the area. What we have to do is to multiply pi with the radius, but we have to square the radius. And that's the result that we have to return. First of all, how do we get the radius? Well, of course, the circle object has the property radius, but we have to access it. Let's have a look at all the attributes of circle. It should have a center and a radius, but we can access it with dir and pass in circle as an argument. And there we have it, center and radius. And how do we access radius? Well, by placing it after circle with a dot. Let's test it out. There we have it, 30. This is the radius. Yeah, so let's type out the actual formula. Let's start with a variable area is equal to pi multiplied by the radius. And we have to square the radius. Let's put this between parentheses. But how do we actually get pi? Well, that's a math library that we have to import. So first of all, we have to import math. And within the math library, we have the pi module. Here we have it. So when we print math pi, we should get the pi value. Let's test it out. 3.14 and a handful of decimals. So let's see what happens if we return the area. It actually should work out. And there we have it. Works like a charm. If this video has been helpful, please consider dropping a like and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.